Taking a look at this little 1080p S60 quad drone. Not too big, very lightweight. We'll open the wings up here. Front wings, or the front propellers, have the orange. It's handy. Nice little gimbal. Got a downward camera and a gimbal camera there. This set comes with a set of 2 batteries right away. The batteries insert into the back here. Power button up top. Lights up pretty easy. This one uses an app. Also has a remote control. So we have a power button on the remote control. Place to put a phone here. Probably need to put some AAA batteries into the bottom. I like to use rechargeables whenever possible. So once we turn that on, it will probably pair with the drone. Or did we lose the battery in the drone now? We'll swap that battery out. And now we'll see if they'll pair up. Alright, we got them to pair up. Now we can maybe give it a little light. Maybe not right now indoors, but you get the idea. Very quiet. It's got some lights on the front. Got good, easy to use controls. Once we hook up the app, we'll have the camera here to see what it's doing. Looking forward to using this one. Hope this helps.